Welcome to Attack. In this video I will tell you that how to create a folder in Google Drive. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Drive. Here you can see plus sign and new. Click on it. So here you can see folder option. So write a name for your new folder. Office files. Click on create button. So your folder is created. So in this way you can create a folder on Google Drive. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.